Hey, we've been talking about this extreme cold warning that's in effect until noon on Thursday, and you're probably wondering, well, why would they issue something like this? Well, obviously because it's very cold outside, but it's more to make sure that you are prepared. It makes you take alert to what's happening out there. So if there's a watch, they just want you to be prepared, or if there's a warning, which we have now, it means take action and make sure you're safe. There's dangerously cold air temperatures outside, and that should continue at least over the next 24 hours. Avoid going outside if possible, and if you must go outside, dress in layers, cover up any exposed skin that may be out there, and of course, plants, animals must be inside at this point because it's just a tad too cold. Now, if you have a husky and the husky just doesn't want to come back inside, okay, there's a bit of a difference there, but we just want everyone to make sure that they're safe. Bring in all your pets. Just make sure they're nice and fine. One of the reasons why is they factor in wind gusts. That affects your wind chill for the day itself. Your temperature may be 22, but the feels like temperature is 10 degrees. Why? Well, because the winds are actually a major factor in that. You get all these strong winds coming in. Look at some of these wind gusts that we've been seeing, up to 25, even up to 30 miles per hour, and that'll continue throughout the rest of the day today. So that will affect your temperature overall. As we get into the overnight hours, it looks like a majority of it's going to affect pretty much the eastern counties, but don't discount that 11-mile-per-hour wind gust because that will still have an effect on your temperatures overall. Continue this out through tomorrow, finally starting to see some decrease as we get out towards Thursday evening, and that's what we expect for winds to kind of settle down just a bit more. Temperatures right now, 22 in Austin, 24 in LaGrange, 20 degrees in Fredericksburg, 20 degrees in Mason. Overall, the cloud coverage still there right now. We get a little bit of a cloud breakage out in Mason, but zoom out a bit more, and pretty much the entire state is dealing with the exact same thing we are right now. The graph model still shows us clearing up as we get into the overnight hours tonight, but you may still see a few clouds out there, and then the clear conditions should remain with us throughout the next couple of days before we get the rain chances back up one more time. Tomorrow morning, these are actual temperatures, not your wind chill, but you're noticing 20 is the warmest. Everyone else, teens out there. Remember your feels like? It's going to be down into the single digits one more time. So we'll play it out just a bit more by the afternoon, 4 p.m. Still feels like it's about 26 out there. Look at what happens as we get to about 4:30 in the morning. Teens, single digit, burn it. 9 degrees as that feels like. Could be down to 7, 6, 5 in many spots. Yeah, it's going to be a cold one overall. And then we'll continue that pattern overall. Now, rain coverage does pick up one more time. Friday going into Saturday. This is our Euro model. We'll stop the clock here at 3 a.m. Noticing the chance of showers there, that picks up. If we drop below freezing, some of that rainfall could actually freeze on the roadways. So please be careful if you're making any plans for Saturday. This model actually keeping a few rain chances out towards the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday, but doesn't look like that'll hold up for too long. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We're looking at 32 on Wednesday, 39 on Thursday, and 39 by Friday. Let's talk about some lake effect snow with Tommy House.
Lake effect in Texas, Freddie. I mean, this is crazy to look at. The Dallas-Fort Worth area, you have these warm lakes north of the city and the winds that Freddie mentioned with that Arctic air mass. Hence, we're seeing some accumulation there throughout the entirety of the morning. Snow is kind of tapered down here with the drier conditions, but look what happened here. Big picture. This was a recent winter storm the past 24 hours. Look at all these icons. I mean, we had the producers in my ears saying, is that enough icons? I mean, there's hundreds, if not 1,000 of these popping up with some freezing rain through portions of the deep south there. This is the current storm situation. Some heavy rain approaching Florida. Farther up north toward the Carolinas, Virginia, and southern Maryland, we're seeing some accumulating snowfall out of this. This is how much has fallen, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches. Nashville picked up on 2 inches this morning. Our sister station posted that in Nashville. This should be clearing out though pretty quickly, and then a warmer pattern approaching across the next few days. As Freddie mentioned, 70s for us in Texas next week.